Your brain is being hacked every single day, and the scary part? You're letting it happen. Have you ever opened your phone just to check one message, and suddenly realized 30 minutes disappeared into thin air? It wasn't an accident, it was design. Every sound, vibration, and color on your screen is built to hijack your attention. Companies spend billions to make sure you can't look away, because your attention is their profit. And while they win the war for your focus, you lose the battle for your mind. Focus isn't just willpower, it's chemistry. Your brain runs on dopamine, a chemical that rewards you for seeking new things. Every time you scroll, like, or switch tasks, your brain gets a tiny hit, like a digital sugar rush. But over time, that constant stimulation dulls your brain's sensitivity. You crave more novelty, more distraction, and ordinary work starts to feel painfully boring. That's why even reading a page or watching a lecture feels impossible now. You've trained your brain for chaos. Here's the scary twist. Even when you want to focus, your brain now fights against it. Because focus gives low dopamine, and your brain wants high dopamine. When your attention fractures, your identity follows. Think about it. Your goals, dreams, and learning all depend on sustained attention. Without focus, you're not really choosing your life. Algorithms are choosing it for you. You start something new every week, chase a new idea every day, but finish nothing. It's not laziness. It's a design flaw created by the modern world. But here's the good news. You can rewire it. Let's fix it. Not with motivation, but with mechanics. Your brain needs to detox from dopamine spikes. That means 1 hour every morning, no phone, no notifications. Do one task fully before switching. Use the 5-minute rule. Promise yourself to just start for 5 minutes. Your brain's resistance melts away once you begin. And if you want to supercharge focus, embrace boredom. Sit without music, phone, or screens for 10 minutes a day. Sounds easy. It's not. But boredom is where the brain starts healing. When you retrain your focus, something magical happens. Time slows down. You enter what scientists call a flow state, where hours feel like minutes. And productivity feels effortless. Artists, athletes, and scientists all describe it the same way, as if the world disappears and only the task remains. That's the secret behind every genius you admire. Not luck, not talent, just focus, mastered. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you worked for 2 straight hours without checking your phone once? If your answer is never, then your brain's not broken, it's just distracted. And that means you can fix it. Because once you control where your attention goes, you control everything, your habits, your goals, your future. Modern life trains us to react, not reflect. But every notification you ignore is a tiny act of rebellion. Every focused hour is a vote for the person you want to become. Focus isn't about discipline anymore. It's about freedom. The freedom to choose what deserves your mind.